Hello everyone. I'll be walking you through my project on predicting salaries for data science roles using data script from Glassdoor. This project is defined into several stages: data collection, data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, that is EDA, model building, and deploying the model using Flask API. So first process is data collection. Before that, let me show you my project. So as you can see in the screen, this is Glassdoor scrapper.py file. In this, the first step of this project was collecting the data. I used Python's beautiful soup and Selenium libraries to scrape job listings from Glassdoor. Let me show you the scripts I developed for this. So Glassdoor scraper.py. This script automates the scraping process. It navigates to Glassdoor, retrieves job postings, and extracts information like job titles, companies, salaries, and location. Here's a snippet of how the scraping works. The scripted data was stored in Glassdoor jobs.cbsv, which contains raw unprocessed information. Now let me move on to the second step, which is very important step to every data scientist: data cleaning. Once I had the raw data, I moved on to cleaning it to ensure it's ready for analysis and modeling. This step involved several tasks such as removing missing values, handling outliers, and standardizing salary information. The name is datacleaning.py. This script cleans the data by removing unnecessary characters in salary column, normalizing salary ranges, and dealing with company related columns like size, rating, and location. This is the code snippet of datacleaning.py. After cleaning, the result was stored in salary data clean.csv, a refined version of the original data. Here you can see. Now, the third step is exploratory data analysis, that is EDA. I perform an exploratory data analysis to understand the patterns and relationship in the data. This is the file eda.ipynb. This Jupyter notebook contains the EDA. Some of the key insights we derived include the correlation between salary and job title, how company ratings affect salary, the impact of location and company size on salary offers. Here you can see the code snippet. And finally, I have visualized NLP cloud, that is a word cloud, using tokenization. Now, the fourth step is model building. After gaining insights from the data, I process to build the predictive model. The name is building.py. This script outlines the process of training a salary prediction model. I used various machine learning algorithms, including linear regression, random forest, and gradient boosting, to predict salaries based on features like job title, company rating, and location. Here you can see the model building process. The features I used while evaluate for model performance using metrics like RMSE and R squared. Then the final step is web API deployment. To make this model accessible, I built a simple web API using Flask. Here are four important files: app.py, datainput.py, satak.py, and wsgi.py. Where wsgi.py file runs the app.py. So here in the app.py, I imported Flask, JSON file, request, numpy, joblib, logging, and then I load the file, I load the model, and then I route the application using slash predict for the predict functionality. Then I pass an input array for the first feature of the first row of CSV file, and then I used sarthak.py file to pass the model with this JSON row, and then it will predict what is the prediction of the model. So let me run this program. First of all, what we will do is we will run this application. We will run wsgi.py. Yes, it's running now. Now let me start the folder. So here I will just use the command prompt. Can you see the this command prompt? Here, what I am doing, just running the sathak.py file to pass this JSON data to a model for the prediction purpose. But before that, I have to use this. So as you can see here, let me first go through the Flask API folder, and then I will just run the file. So here you can see the response is 153.5K in dollar, $153,000. So let me just show you again the code. Here you can see. So we have just passed the first line, which is associate performance data scientist, and job estimate is 66 to 70K. We have passed this as needed with all the requirements, and it's the predicted salary is 153K. So thank you for this. Conclusion: in summary, this project involves scraping data from Glassdoor. I have scrapped 1,000 job listings from a real-time Glassdoor website, cleaning and analyzing it, building a machine learning model to predict salaries, and finally deploying the model using Web API. This end-to-end approach ensures that we are not only gather insights from data but also make these insights actionable through a functional application. Next step, there are so many future improvements. So we could involve integrating more features like company benefits, years of experience, or even external economic factors. Additionally, scaling the application by deploying it on a platform like AWS would make it widely accessible. Thank you for your time, and happy I'll take any questions further.